Alright everyone, and welcome to week 2. So in week 1 you created a small video game dock for a side scroller, a 2D side scroller, and you created the main character for that 2D side scroller using classic pixel art. Alright, now you are going to create the rest of the level. So let's go in our content right here. You're going to create the tiling system for it. So in week 2 right here, it's called Seamless Texture for 2D Video Game. You click on that and you get to the main part of it, which is the creation of seamless texture, patterns, and tileable tiles. And of course the use of a simple 2D video game editor. It is important to note that the video game editor is not playable. It is just to put your art and then give to the coder that will code it and make it playable. It is not one of those that you can play directly up the editor. Because I wanted something very simple, and I don't want you guys take too long to learn that, because I want you to focus on the art itself. Okay, so you got all your lecture right here that shows you tiles, what they are, sample of it, the complete full pipeline for textures. If you go into some of them, some of the lectures actually talk for a little bit, so not to worry about that. All right, and it's me explaining during a lecture what I'm talking about. All right, so not to worry, but if you keep going after that, it goes into how to actually do it. You know what I'm saying? So don't worry about that. Um, um, you go after that. If let's go to that one. I was in part 2. Let's go to part 5, for example, and you will see that you're getting to actually do it, the tile. Okay, the seamless texture first. All right, so that's very important of that. And you have seamless tiles also right here. Same thing. This is the couple videos. You have the direct link right here, and if you have a problem, just copy and paste that link into your browser. And this is how to actually do tiles also. All right, top view on that one. And it shows your road and so forth. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You have your patterns right here. You palletize how to use the XNA editor. All right, you have a version. If you're using a Mac, it is important to note that the XNA editor will not work. Alright, so or you switch to a Windows system if you have one, or if you don't have one, you need to use just Photoshop. And in that case, you go to the Mac user video on how to use Photoshop for Project 2. Then it is explained into it what you need to do to actually make it happen for Mac. Okay, thank you about that. Now you have chapter 3 in your class book to read, and you have the assignment 2, which I'm going to go there really soon. The XNA level editor is right here. You basically download it, and then you look at the video that says how to use the XNA level editor, because all the tiles of assignment 2, all the work of assignment 2 needs to be put into the editor, and it's the editor with all the file that needs to be uploaded. It is important that you upload the complete level with all its files, not just the file level, basically, which is the name of the level that you saved. You want to have every art file, the complete folder, just like you have it when you download it right here, level 1. Okay, it's very important. You also have your discussion board as usual, where you need to post your progress so I can look at it and help you. All right. So in assignment 2 right here, if we click on it, you need to basically do that. Okay, and you need to have your side scroller ready. You basically need to, you know that that you needed to do a 5 frame of 640 by 480. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to create your own texture and patterns using Photoshop. You need to create at least 12 tiles, creating a full level 5 frames of the format. Alright, it is important to note that you need tile for many things. Alright, you need tile for the playfield, you need tile for the far background, you need tile for the sky, you need tile, so that's pretty important to do that, and to make sure with around 12 tiles, and I'm going to bring it up actually to around 12 to 20, so you can have a little bit more tiles, you guys. Okay, but it's very important that you do those tiles well, that they are completely seamless one to each other's, so you can mix them up at wishes. Okay, you upload that. This is the criteria of the grading process as usual. It's up to 100 points. Have fun, upload early. I'll be glad to help you. Thank you again.